Let me out here. Look at this mess. This garden, it's awful. And over there, MattySlug, you gotta clean it up. I'm Mamma Mia and I'm not happy with this one. Please clean it up right now.
Hello, it's MattySlug here, but I got 8 views on my gardening video, so I'm doing some more. I'm getting all them off, and I'm cutting them up, because I got a thing. I borrowed my dad's cutter. So yeah, alright, let's do it. Let's get rid of those palms. Alright, I've set the camera up. Let's give it a go. Didn't record. That final one up there, see that there? I don't think we'll be able to get that today. Alright, I've got to cut up all this right now. Lucky I got my helper. I got this backbone will guide me to this gun I got. The Sabre sword. Alright, chuck this in, the gun bit. Yeah, so that's gonna... bloody give up. I don't want to cut my hands off. So let's just try and do all that without the camera. Because there's nothing to hold on to. Alright, if I do any bit I'll show you in a minute. Alright, go charge the camera. I've done it all, yeah, I've cleaned up, it's all gone, look. There's Mario Kart living there in the bushes. But where did it go? It didn't go in the bin. It went over there. Yeah, it went through here. Here it all is. Do it another day. But we have this gate. We have this gate, so no. Yeah, we got this gate. Kick it in. I don't know, I unwired it, now it's not safe, but I'm going to go to chainsaw and cut all that up. Now to kick all this out of the way, so the kids can bathe, and put this house back. Make sure it's safe. The roof's not in. That was gardening with MattySlug Volume 2. Cleaning up. Didn't clean up that much, but I tried. Oh, I noticed a bit over there. Maybe we could do that right now. Oh, it's just enough. We'll try and get rid of it with the camera. Because we don't want this coming off. Ready? It's rotten. Full of spiders. It was perfectly fine up there until I wrecked it. Now this stuck there. Here we go. It's gonna fall. Liam, you can't stand there. I got glasses on. You idiot, man. It was perfectly safe up there. Now there's some on the roof. I can't see, can you see, sir? I think I'll fall, so... Nearly got it. That one's a problem. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching, I'll see you now. Tomorrow I'll mow the lawns and I'll film that. Mama Rose says mowing the lawn is a stupid gardening video. So in the next volume of MattySlug Gardens, we're gonna clean this area up. We're gonna leave that there. Yeah, I'm gonna mow all here and de-weed. We're gonna put a fountain that doesn't work and some pot plants and flowers. So I'll see you for the next. I'll see you for the next camera chip. Anyways, thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Indoor cleaning with Mama Rose.
It's time to celebrate another episode of Gardening with MattySlug. Thanks for watching.